Hey guys, welcome to Delft Stack, and this is how to know if your friend is on a call on Messenger. So, guys, if you ever wondered if your friend is in a call, you will not be able to call them, and it will have a pop up showing that your friend is in another call. So, guys, if you are curious, here's what it will look like. So, first thing is open up the messenger into your device. Now, from here, you could just simply go ahead and select one of your friend that you want to test if they are on another call. And now, if you call them over here, as you can see, guys, you will have an option over here that your friend is in another call. And now from here, you will have an option to record a message. So once they are done with the call that they are in, they should be able to have the voice over here. And you can retake it, you can send it, and you can delete it and pause it over here. So pretty much this will be depending on you. And you can just simply send it to them. And when they are available, guys, and when you tap on the call on the top right corner, they should be ringing. And from here, you should be able to call them once they are free. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.